If you want to prank someone, try this. Jam a small bottle cap into their Powerade bottle. Now you can add hot sauce or chili powder in there. Close it, and if they open it in a dark room, it's much funnier. Follow me for more pranks. This is such a savage prank. So you open a water bottle and tuck it inside someone's shoe, preferably Jordan's. Lean the shoe against the other and watch what happens when picked up. How messed up is this prank? You empty out your teacher's pencil cup, grease up the tip of a soda bottle, place the pencil cup over it, and then flip it over. Surround the bottle with school supplies, and when your teacher sees the bottle is out of place, they'll pull it out, and this happens. Yeah, that was a prank that you can get anybody to fall for. To successfully pull it off, you'll need 2 unopened soda cans. Twist a piece of wire to one of the tabs on a soda can and the other end of that wire to the other tab. Join both cans together and wrap some masking tape around them like this. Then bet someone that they can't pull them apart, and when they try, they will easily fall for this crazy prank. For more pranks, don't forget to follow me. To set up the savage prank, stick some push pins inside a drawer pointing towards the inside. Shake 2 cans of soda and place them inside as well. Slowly close it up, and that's it. Follow me for more pranks. And don't forget to watch my movie Prankster, available now on Apple TV and Tubi. In the comments, tag someone you would do this prank on. To set this up, you'll need Mentos and a Diet Coke bottle. Place it on its side, peel the label, cut a flap on the bottle, tape a Mentos to it, and then flatten it. Restore the label and leave the bottle on its side. Follow me for more. Here's a gross out prank that you can get away with. Take a roll of toilet paper and smear some chocolate or Nutella on. Leave them all over the bathroom, spray some nasty liquid ass, and next person that walks into that bathroom, they'll wish they didn't. Follow me for more. To booby trap a pencil case, pop off the cap and remove everything from inside. Fill it with any liquid you want. Close it up, and when your victim needs a pencil, this will happen. For more pranks, don't forget to follow me. You can do this prank on any gamer. Basically wrap half of their controller with plastic. This will protect the controller. Now cover the plastic with sticky slime. Watch them freak over it. It gets them every time. To pull this off, take someone's deodorant spray bottle, remove the cap, fill it with any liquid you want, and here's what will happen when they open it. If you really want to frustrate someone, simply take their phone, put a piece of tape on the back and another piece of tape on any surface such as a table. Apply some hot glue on the phone where the tape is and glue it on the table. Once it hardens, they'll think that the phone is fully stuck on the table. For a few moments, it'll make them super mad. To set this up, fill up a small cup with fake blood. Cover it with plastic wrap. Flip it over and lay it upside down. Place a roll of toilet paper over it. Cover the top, and here's what will happen when someone needs it. Imagine this. You're done using the bathroom, but it won't flush. You try to investigate what the issue is, and then this happens. Would definitely make me angry, especially not knowing what kind of liquid that is. As a prank, empty out a bag of ice into a toilet bowl. It'll definitely make it hard for the next person who wants to poop. For more pranks, don't forget to follow me. This would scare any gamer. Take a blank CD and cut it in half. Now insert it into the case of their favorite video game. For a split second, they'll freak out thinking that they broke their game. This would freak out any gamer. To pull off this prank, just cut a random disc in half and place it in the console slot but upside down. For a second, they'll think that the game is broken. Here we're gonna undo a doorknob, one side will be removed, and a balloon will be tied in its place. When mom opens the door, this happens. Follow me for more pranks. To prank your teacher at school, undo the spiral from their notebook and rearrange the pages all out of order. Put the spiral back and you'll see how confused and mad they'll get. Follow me for more pranks. To set up this mean prank, open a gel bottle, cover it with plastic and add some ketchup inside. Put the cap on and then just cut off the excess plastic. This will happen when someone uses it. By mixing peanut butter and chocolate, we're gonna make some fake poop. We microwave it, then freeze it, sprinkle some fart bag powder that really stinks. Now we mold it and leave it on the doorknob. It gets them every time.